In this video, we'll cover everything you need for a smooth trip with your little one. From choosing the right diaper bag to essential baby gear like a stroller, portable crib, and car seat, we've got you covered. We'll also provide packing tips for clothing, feeding supplies, and organizing your luggage effectively. Additionally, we'll discuss important health and safety essentials such as first aid kits, baby-friendly sunscreen, and necessary medications, ensuring you have a worry-free and enjoyable trip with your baby. When traveling with a baby, a well-equipped diaper bag is a must-have. In this segment, we'll delve into the essential features to look for in a diaper bag, such as ample storage, insulated pockets for bottles, and comfortable straps for carrying. We'll also discuss tips for packing the diaper bag efficiently, ensuring that you have everything you need for on-the-go convenience, from diapers and wipes to changing pads and baby clothing. This ensures that you're well prepared for any situation while keeping your baby comfortable and content during your travels. In this segment, we'll discuss the essential baby gear for travel, focusing on your baby's comfort and safety. We'll delve into the features of a lightweight stroller, highlighting its easy maneuverability and compact fold for travel convenience. Then, we'll explore the benefits of a portable crib, providing a safe and familiar sleeping environment for your baby wherever you go. We'll also cover the advantages of using a baby carrier for hands-free travel and the importance of a car seat for securing your baby during car journeys, ensuring a safe and enjoyable trip for your little one. In this segment, we'll share valuable packing tips for your baby's clothing and supplies, ensuring you're well prepared for your travels. You'll learn efficient ways to pack baby clothing, including versatile pieces and layering techniques to cover various weather conditions. We'll also provide insights into organizing and maximizing space in your luggage, making the most of every inch for your baby's essentials. Additionally, we'll cover tips for packing feeding supplies such as bottles, formula, and baby food, ensuring that you have everything you need for nourishing your baby while on the go. In this crucial segment, we'll cover the essential health and safety aspects of traveling with a baby. First, we'll discuss the importance of a well-equipped first aid kit, including items such as bandages, antiseptic wipes, and baby-safe medications for common ailments. Next, we'll highlight the significance of baby-friendly sunscreen to protect your little one's delicate skin from the sun's harmful rays. Additionally, we'll emphasize the necessity of carrying any required medications for your baby, ensuring that you're well prepared to handle any health concerns and enjoy a worry-free trip together.